have.
Really?
Yeah, many times you'll see that. You'll see it, especially when a defendant feels that they have a really justified basis for why they acted. But the problem is you don't have a right to an attorney as well. While your attorney may be present and be able to counsel you and give you advice, they cannot ask any questions or do anything to help you in terms of that presentation.
But remember, Ashley, his statement will be introduced in the grand jury.
Right. Well, anything he's made to the police in the police reports, correct?
Correct.
Right.
Well,
Could be.
Well, we don't.
Yes.
I don't know what's in the police reports is accurate. I think that's a whole other issue for a whole other segment.
So Craig Sonner, one of Zimmerman's attorneys, spoke with me on Friday on Anderson Cooper's program, and I asked that specific question. What do you think the likelihood is that your case is going to end up before the grand jury? Have a listen to what he said. Do you think your case is going to get indicted?
At this point, we don't know. There's not really. I can tell you the possibilities of things. I mean, they could go to the grand jury and they could indict, or they could no bill. The state attorney could actually file charges, or the state attorney could no bill it. Those are the possibilities of things that could happen. Okay. And without having all the details, it's hard to say what's going to happen.
We should just mention as well that Craig Sonner was on the right and his second attorney, Hal Uhrig, was sitting on his left. Phyllis, it's been often said and oft repeated that you can indict a ham sandwich. In the truthful manner of this, when it comes to a grand jury in your state, it's not true that you can indict a ham sandwich. It is not that, it's not that difficult, but it is tough.
It is tough, and I think the grand jurors are very inquisitive in terms of what they look at, and they take that role very seriously in terms of having to make a decision that's free of politics. And I think one of the points that was just made is really important, and the fact is that you can have this grand jury acting on its own in terms of an investigation while the actual special prosecutor in the case may be investigating as well for possible filing a decision. But ultimately, if this is going to be a first-degree murder case, a grand jury will have to either indict or no true bill, and may even have some sort of presentation or presentment if they take neither action.
And we shouldn't expect anything to happen quickly either. Phyllis, it's the first time I've had a chance to talk to you. It's really nice to have you on as a guest, and I hope to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And Janie, as always, I can't even count the number of times we've had a chance to talk, but it's always good to see you.